All right, DFW build, remodel, painting. We've got Manuel here, my head guy over here. Manuel, what are you going to do next here in this kitchen?
I'm going to cover the ceiling, to prepare the ceiling to paint. I'm going to put the doors in the garage to paint all the doors first.
Okay.
And then paint the cabinet base, oil base, Benjamin Moore paint.
And Benjamin Moore, that's a good paint, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a really good paint.
Okay.
Yeah, to make the remodeling with the cabinet the same color. But now I need to cover all the ceiling to paint it.
Have you already sanded down the doors?
Yeah, I already sanded the doors and clean all the doors to paint it.
Okay, so
I need to clean all the doors and cabinet base to paint it.
okay, so that's all been done?
Yeah.
Okay, good, good. So right now you're just finishing up your prep work, right?
Yes.
And this is the same thing, we're repeating this at the bar cabinets, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the same. Yes, I need to cover right here.
Right.
To try the
To keep that room
yeah,
protected,
yeah.
right?
And
Then you're gonna wear respirators?
yeah.
Okay, and you guys have already done all your caulking and prep work inside the kitchen, right?
Everything is
Perfect,
done to
perfect.
paint. Yeah.
All right, well, we appreciate you, and we look forward to
thank
seeing
you,
the
Michael.
finished product. Thank you.
Yeah.